This week we don't have a full-length video for you, but instead just this short one to give you an update on what is happening here in Trinidad. This week was pretty upsetting for all of us because unfortunately we had to say goodbye to Travelopia's contractor working on the boat. This situation was very disappointing for us and for Travelopia, but as things had progressed, we weren't left with much other choice. We hopefully will not have to comment further on this and are relying on Travelopia to follow their internal processes. We believe that Travelopia and Z-Spas have the best intentions at heart with the repairs and upgrades of our hull and are continuing to support us with a rental car, a unit nearby and storage rooms while organising the repairs of Lagger. The unit serves two main functions. First, it's a place to sleep and retreat away from the boat, and it's an incredible relief to have access to a private air-conditioned bathroom with a hot shower and toilet. Secondly, equipment and personal belongings that can't be on the boat while works are happening are stored here, as well as in two storage units in the yard. The value of having a car really can't be understated because Chaguaramas is a bit more isolated from the rest of Trinidad. Are we not filming you enough? Do you need to be on the YouTubes? You show me the book. She's trying to headbutt you. Jesus Christ. This is the rental car that we now have, and I cannot state enough how valuable it is to have a rental car in this situation, because we are not within walking distance of supermarkets. The things that we get sent to us that go through the customs, it's either the airport customs, which is an hour and a half away, or it's the customs here, but the items are heavy. So we really appreciate having a car because it just makes everything so much easier. As you can see, this car is bigger than the previous ones we've had, but we actually managed to get it cheaper because rather than working with one of the big international brands at the airport, we have found a reliable local company. So, you know, we get a bigger, cheaper car and we're supporting a Trinidadian business, which I think is a win-win. We have been in Trinidad for over a year now, and for most of that time, our tender has had to be in storage because we had no way to get it in and out of the water. It is now on a trailer, thanks to a very generous local that Trent is friends with. The man who lent Trent this trailer is just someone he met around the yard, and over time they became friends. He didn't ask anything or want anything for it. He was just trying to do a nice thing for someone else. And that's something we've experienced quite a few times here in Trinidad, and something that has a wholly positive impact on our experience here. This video could only be a quick update, but our plan is to be back next week with a long format video for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get that little ding when the next video comes out.